Alright, y'all, so I got another one for you today, you feel me? We gonna get into part 2 of the Libra intervention, you feel me? All my 7th house Venusian individuals, you feel me? So we gonna get into part 2, you feel me? Part 1, you gotta stay in your lane, you feel me? You gotta worry about you first, you feel me? Now we gonna get into part 2, so y'all know what time it is, come on with it.
Oh, I tell you, like, I'm like the 2020 Petey Pablo on this motherfucker. Nah, fuck that, nigga. I'm like P in this bitch, look. Bad little bitch, call me daddy, though. Met the little baby up in Cameo. Classy little bitch and not a ratchet hoe. She be dancing in the mirror, ass clapping.
For you in the Libra individuals, you feel me? You gotta work on with your relationships, you feel me? Like I said in the unhealthy Libra love video, you feel me? You got to stop trying to rationalize everything. Stop trying to balance everything. Stop trying to make everything equal. Stop trying to make everything okay. Sometimes shit just ain't fair. What they say, life ain't fair. Sometimes life just ain't fair. And you gonna have to get with the program. Straight up. Yeah, you ain't gonna be the one that come and no, that ain't how that's gonna go down. It is what it is, you feel me? You gotta just accept things, people, places, and everything else for what it is, you feel me? Don't try to put your Venus on it, you see what I'm saying? Because y'all try to make stuff look good, make it look better than what it is, then be mad at everybody else because they fool. You feel me? You be walking around trying to make everything look out good, then wonder why ain't nobody asked you, is you okay today? Now, I thought you was alright. You look like you was doing well to me. Hey, straight up, you act like you was alright to me. And stay in your life. You see what I'm saying? See how that can go either way. Now, you could also benefit from these different relationships that you form. You see what I'm saying? Because you'll be able to get a lot of things done, you see what I'm saying, just through communication, just through the amount of relationships that you have, just through the people you know, you see what I'm saying. You don't always have to necessarily take actions yourself to get things done. Sometimes you just know somebody or know somebody or know somebody to get it done, you see what I'm saying. You that person, you feel me? Keep that. That's a benefit, you see what I'm saying. But stop thinking everybody your friend, you see what I'm saying. Everybody ain't your friend, you see what I'm saying. You ain't as cool as you think you are with everybody, you feel me. Because you Venus, you feel me. You walk around want to give out love to everybody, you see what I'm saying. And everybody don't want your love, you see what I'm saying? Some people, you feel me, they just gonna take. You see what I'm saying? So you gotta know, and then you gonna get the feeling some type of way. You see what I'm saying? Because although Libra is ruled by Venus, you see what I'm saying? We're dealing with a Venusian, and this is still cardinal. You see what I'm saying? This is still a starter. You see what I'm saying? And it still get things going. You see what I'm saying? So you will act, you see what I'm saying? That's what people is. You will act, but sometimes it just take you a little bit longer, you see what I'm saying? You don't need that. Sometimes you gotta take from your Aries opposition, you feel me, and get to it, get to that action, you see what I'm saying? It is what it is. If it's me or you, then it's gonna be you. You see what I'm saying? Ain't no, alright, you take it, I'll take it, you shoot me, I'll shoot you, alright, it's fair. No. It's either you or them. You see what I'm saying? You try to make it fair. No, it's do or die. Like, you know what I mean? Because everybody ain't gonna go for that in between. Everybody ain't gonna go for that meet me halfway. Some people just ain't built like that. You feel what I'm saying? Everybody's heart ain't built like yours. You feel me? And you gotta understand that too. You see what I'm saying? Even though you might have the best heart and the kindest, you know what I mean, words and the best intentions in the world, that ain't gonna change the world and the people around you. You see what I'm saying? That don't necessarily rub off. You be thinking it's gonna rub off. Nah, it don't work like that all the time. You feel me? Some people just come to, you know what I mean, take away from that. Some people just come to see what they can get overall, you see what I'm saying, get away with. Some people just coming to see what it's really about, how far they can take it. So you gotta know how to, you feel me, pull back. Like I said, worry about yourself first, you feel me? Because you can wind up putting too much into something, you see what I'm saying, when it really ain't that, you see what I'm saying? Then you worry about them, they ain't worry about you. Now you done gave up more than you can afford to lose, you feel me? So you don't want to end up in that situation. I know y'all done ended up in that situation. I know that touch base right there. I know you have. But it's alright. Like I said, go watch that, you know what I mean? That Libra Pisces unhealthy love, you feel me? We can get into the balance and all that, you feel me? Get into the percentages and all that if you want a little further breakdown of that. But like I said, just stay in your lane. You gotta worry about you first, you feel me? This is the first sign that's going into the second half of the zodiac. So this is where you first start to, like I said, incorporate others. You know what that second half of the zodiac does. It's not always about self first. You know that first half, they like to, get a stable foundation for themselves first. You know what I'm saying? They worry about them and theirs first. This second half is more so gonna, make you more inclined to, engage others and bring others with you. You know what I mean? Whether that's up or down, you feel me? Whether that's for, the peaks or the valleys. You got people with you all the way through, you feel me? And that could be a hindrance, or benefit you, you know what I'm saying? Depending on who you take with you. But you shouldn't always have to have somebody with you. That's the next one we're gonna get into, you feel me? Because you're so inclined to form different relationships and things like that, this is the 7th house, you know, you're naturally inclined to do so, you feel me? This is Venus, you naturally, you know what I mean, want to go towards the pleasures in life, the easier route, you feel me? It is what it is, work smarter, not harder. This is air, so you know what I mean, it's all about those ideas, it's all about that communication, you know what I'm saying? So, you know what I mean, it is what it is, you ain't necessarily, a grit and bear type of individual, but it is what it is. You gotta understand that, you feel me, and move accordingly, you feel me? It is what it is. So that was part 2 of your Libra intervention, you feel me? You gotta, you know what I mean, make sure, you feel me, you get to that action sometimes, you feel me? You can't always beat around the bush, you feel me? You can't always make it sound good, look good, feel good, you know what I mean? Sometimes you just gotta get to it, you feel me? You can't always talk about it, sometimes you gotta be about it, sometimes, you feel me? It's about that action. Some people want to see that action, you feel me? They ain't trying to hear about it, you feel me? Hear tell. They trying to see about it, you see what I'm saying? It is what it is. You feel me? It is what it is. Life ain't fair. You feel me? It is what it is sometimes. So you gotta make sure you right. You feel me? If it's them and you feel me? It got to be them. It is what it is. You feel me? And you gotta already know that going into the situation. You feel me? You sitting there trying to balance it out, trying to figure out how everybody can get they just do. No. It's them or you. Choose you. Straight up, it is what it is. So, as always, thanks for watching. Make sure you kick back with part 3. Let me know what you think down below. Make sure you come and kick back with me on Instagram, you feel me? I'm over there. So, you know what time it is. Come on with it.